Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am doing an entire look using the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. I have this on my eyes, I have this on my cheeks, I have this on my lips. It is so beautiful, it's so universal, you can use it all over the face, it's really easy, and it gives you this gorgeous wash of color. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please stick around by subscribing because I would definitely appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want others to see this video, and without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. It's not a tutorial, it's a get ready with me, not a tutorial. Don't listen to anything I say. So y'all, I was not going to film today, and then my husband decided to go for a motorcycle ride. I was taking a nap, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna film on a Sunday. I've been trying to take a little social media break. I know I've been posting videos every single day, but this weekend it hit me, and I was like, I do not feel like filming, I do not feel like posting, I do not feel like any of it, just none of it. No Instagram. So I've just been relaxing today, but we're filming. I was feeling a little bit inspired. I was watching tons of videos from GLOSSIER makeup, and I love her. I love her channel. I think she is so creative. She's so inspirational. Her story is amazing. And so I decided we're gonna play around. I've been wanting to do a one look with the cloud paint in the shade Dusk from Glossier. So here we are. I am gonna start though with filling in my brows because I feel like the brows really frame the face. Anyone who has been subscribed to my channel for a while and is watching this is like, Diana, you've never cared about your eyebrows before. Well, we care now. Honestly, ever since I found this brow pencil from ColourPop, I have actually wanted to fill my brows in. Makes filling in your brows super easy. The color is really great. It definitely matches my roots. And I just feel like it's just, I don't know, filling my brows makes me feel complete. It's like a part of my day that I have to do before I leave the house. Like, I will leave the house with no makeup on my skin, but I gotta have my brows filled in. It's just, it's happened, you guys. I never thought I'd be one of those girls who'd care about her eyebrows, but here we are. I am now one of them. This brow, though, it never ever cooperates. It just never wants to do what it's supposed to, and it drives me bonkers. So for priming my skin, I'm just going to go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. This is literally all I want to put on my skin today because it's a no makeup day. You guys, it is a no makeup day, which is why Glossier is the perfect brand for today because their motto is skin first, makeup second, and so their makeup has really great ingredients and isn't going to clog your pores and is super nice. So I thought just priming the skin, just keeping everything really natural and really light. That's all I want to do today. Okay, so we're going to go into the eyes first, and I am going to prime my eyelids with a little bit of concealer. My eyelids are looking a little bit veiny, and I want this makeup look to be really natural, but I don't want to scare anyone. So we're going to just go in with a teeny bit of concealer, blend that out with the fingertips, and then we'll blend in our cloud paint on top of this. This also gives a really nice base. The cloud paint doesn't need a nice base. It applies beautifully on all skin, whether or not it's set with powder, whether it's dewy, whether it's dry. The cloud paint glides on and is really easy to blend out. Do any of y'all have that issue where you're so much better at blending with one hand than the other? And so for this video, I'm trying to go in with my left hand to blend my left eye, and I feel like it's like a gimp hand, like I don't know how to use it. Is it just me? So now I'm going in with my Dusk Cloud Paint. I'm just going to put a bunch of this on the back of my hand. Just do a nice little squirt. That's probably too much, but I'm going to use this all over the entire face, the cheeks, the eyelids, the lips. It's going to be really nice. So I'm going to just pick up a little bit on my finger, and we're going to blend this into the eye. I'm going to just kind of focus it in the crease, the same way I would apply a cream to powder shadow, similar to these Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. I'm going to just deepen the crease, fluff it out. It's so pretty. These are so pretty, and they blend so easily. I really want to pick up the shade Beam next. I think that one looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks a little bit more of a highlighting and light shade. That would look amazing. Why do we even buy eyeshadow palettes? I hope this is picking up on camera. I know my camera lighting has been really, really bad recently because my camera is terrible and I really need to get a new one, but I don't have money to get a new one. But there's no viewfinder, so I can never tell if it's filming or if everything's in focus. And then on top of that, the lighting is just really, really bright. And even when I work with the brightness and the contrast, it just gets all messed up. So I apologize if you can't see anything on my skin or the wash of color in my eyes. This looks absolutely gorgeous, so natural. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see just before I apply mascara or anything else, but I love this. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bright, but I love how natural and gorgeous this looks. This is one of those eyeshadow looks, and this is one of those products that's gonna just make it look like you are just naturally all put together, which is really cool. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour with this product. It's actually a term called draping. That's what it's called. You go in with a blush as your contour. This is going to look crazy at first, but I promise we'll blend it out. I'm just dampening my sponge. If you guys haven't seen my video, I cut one of my beauty blenders in half, and it's the best hack I've ever done. It blends products so beautifully, and especially this cloud paint, it's like a dream. It just spreads the product out, and it looks so natural and so nice. I love it. You'll also notice I'm doing this before I'm doing concealer or powder. For those of you all who don't know me and are new to my channel, I don't wear foundation, and so the reason I'm doing this before I go in with powder or concealer is because it is really, really dewy, and I like having my skin be set with powder, and I just feel like this blends really, really nicely, and I can also tone it down a little bit because it's a little bit bright and a little bit bright for me and for my preference for blush. I think it's beautiful and I love the pigmentation and I have absolutely no problems with it, but by using a powder on top and setting my skin that way, I can control the amount of pigment on my face while also getting my skin to be really, really matte. I'm blending a little bit of this into the forehead. To frame the face. And there we go, y'all. So I'm going to go in and use a tiny bit of concealer underneath the eyes and around the nose, and then I'm going to set my face with powder. I'm trying to not edit too much of this video. I'm saying this to editing Diana, try not to edit too much of this video. That way you guys can see really how quick and easy this is. If I edit anything out, know it's because I'm trying to talk and I've said something wrong because I don't know how to speak English. So going back in with that sponge, we'll blend out the concealer. And let me actually spray this with a little bit more rose water spray. This is the Mario Badescu rose water spray that I used to prime my skin in the beginning. And like I said before, this sponge hack has changed my life. I truly feel like it blends concealer better, and I feel crazy that I've never tried this before. I also feel like it's going to make Beauty Blender come out with a flattened, like pre-cut sponge, because if they did, I would buy it for sure. Actually, I really would. Hey Beauty Blender, if you're watching this video, I mean, this video is going to get like 5 views, but if someone who works for Beauty Blender is seeing this video, cut your sponge in half. It's life-changing. You'll love it. So now I'm just going to go in with my Wowder powder from Glossier, and I'm going to just set the entire face. This is going to get rid of oil. This is going to set my makeup. This is going to mattify the skin, add a beautiful brightness, as well as a little bit of color to the face. I have to go in with so many dips of the brush. Normally I would contour my nose, so I might do that in a little bit. I'm not going to contour though with the Glossier Cloud Paint just because contouring my nose with that is going to look a little bit funky. Alrighty, so that is what my skin looks like. I'm loving this. I'm loving how natural and just gorgeous this is looking. So let's do my nose contour, a little bit of contouring underneath my jawline with my bronzer. We'll apply mascara and then we'll finish up with the lips. That's how fast this look is, you guys. It's so simple and I love it. I love how easy this is. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And we're going to just contour the nose. This is just my favorite bronzer, you guys. I wish they would come out with a couple more shades. They've tried to spread their brand a little bit more, and they've spread to some lighter shades, and they've got a couple deeper ones. But I really think they'd benefit by doing more shades and more shadows. I think a lot of customers would really appreciate it, especially those with deeper skin tones or paler skin tones than me. I mean, if you are fair with like a neutral undertone, not yellow or pink or olive, these bronzers just wouldn't work for you. So Physicians Formula, make some more bronzers please, so that everyone can use this and enjoy it and love it, because it's such a good bronzer and it would be a good one to make for a lot of people. So I'm just going in and curling my eyelashes just to get them ready to go for mascara. First, I do need to do the lower lash line because we have nothing on our lower lash line, and it would look really good to have a little bit of pigment down there. Get that all curled. Alrighty. You guys know when your mascara gets all like disgusting on this and for some reason your eyelash curler gets just like nasty and gets that little black stuff all over your eyelid? It's happening to me right now and I hate it. So we're gonna just blend this underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to let it be a little bit deeper and blend it out. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Forgot how much I love this. This is literally my first time doing this. I've used it for blush, I've used it on the lips. I've never used this on the eyes before, and I am blown away at how beautiful this is. Because the tone of this is just warm enough and orangey enough that it doesn't look like I have like red eye and like disease. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's go in with some mascara. This is my Buxom Lash Mascara. And I need to get a new one of these. I have a new one of these, but I need to open it because this one's starting to dry up. And I love this mascara. It's starting to look just a little bit chunky. And I hate when that happens. I need to go grab a Q-tip because I made a mess. Hello, y'all. So I'm going in with a Q-tip. The mascara is now dry and I'm just flaking it away from all the areas where it's just messy. I'm going to go back in with that airbrush concealer brush from EcoTools that I used for my nose contour and just deepen up the crease a tiny bit. I want to make sure that I didn't remove any of that product when I went in with the Q-tip to clean up my mascara mess. I'm also going to blend a little bit more underneath my lash line just to deepen that up. I think it looks really pretty. I've had just a little bit more pigmentation. I am going to rebrush through my eyebrows now that everything's done, just to make sure that they are in place where I want them, not too wonky. For lips, I'm going in with the Cloud Paint in Dusk, because that's what this whole video is about, and then we'll go in and finish off with highlight. Do you see how beautiful this shade is, you guys? It's gorgeous. It's like this really pretty dusty orangey brown on the lips, because my lips are definitely more purple. And so this looks really orange on me. But it looks beautiful and it dries down matte. It's so nice. For applying it to your lips, if you need to go in with like a lip brush or something, you're welcome to. I just kind of guesstimate with my finger and pray that I get it all on there. Oh, I love how that looks, you guys. I love how that looks. For highlight, I'm going in with my Flexitarian highlight, and I recently discovered that applying highlight with your sponge looks beautiful. So we're gonna do that while my lips are drying. Just picking up a little bit of that highlight. Applying it to the cheeks. This is so pretty. So reflective and gorgeous, and I love it. I love how this looks. And I'm going to just blend that out a little bit. Alrighty y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I loved doing this video. This was so much fun and it got me ready. I feel like I look really nice and I was able to use up all of that product. I'm gonna have to wash this off of my hand, but that was really, really easy. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out Glossier and the Cloud Paint and the Water. Those are my two favorite products from Glossier. I have a code down below in my description if you're interested. Anyways, thanks for stopping by thank you for stopping by my channel. I need to clean up. I hope you guys stick around by subscribing, and I'll see y'all next time on my channel. This was the worst outro I have ever made. I didn't even mention my past videos. You can click right here, and you can subscribe by clicking my face. Is there anything else that I missed? Comment it down below if I missed anything from this outro. Okay, bye y'all!